Good evening, bro, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Sir. How are you, sir?
Yeah, fine. Thank you so much, sir.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you.
For your acceptance of our invitation.
Thank you, sir.
So kindly wait a few minutes, sir.
Sure, sir. I'll be waiting.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Nathan? Nathan, sir?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Manoj. Manoj, Nathan sir join பண்ணிட்டாருங்களா?
Sir, join பண்ணிருந்தாரு sir. 1 second, sir. லைன்ல தான் இருந்தாரு.
HOD CSC reflect ஆகலையேம்மா.
Sir, HOD CS தான் reflect sir.
நீங்க ஹோஸ்டா?
சார் அவரோட பர்சனல் மெயில் ஜாயின் பண்ணுங்க.
ஓகே.
நான் ஹோஸ்ட் பண்றேன் சார். சார் அவரோட பர்சனல் மெயில் பண்ணுங்க.
சாகர்
ஜாயின் பண்ணுங்க சார்.
யூடியூப் லைவ் செக் பண்ணிட்டீங்களா?
யூடியூப் லைவ் பண்ணி போட்டாச்சு சார்.
ஓகே சார். தேங்க் யூ.
எவ்ரிதிங் ஓகே. தேங்க் யூ சார்.
தேங்க்ஸ் சார். நாதன் சார்?
எஸ் சார்.
சார் ஜாயின் பண்ணிட்டாங்க.
ஆமாங்க சார். ஆமாம், முன்னாடியே ஒரு வெல்கம் சொல்லிட்டேன். நம்ம இது சிஸ்டம் கொஞ்சம் ரீஸ்டார்ட் ஆயிடுச்சு, அதனால கொஞ்சம் 2 minutes லேட் ஆயிடுச்சு. ஜாயின் பண்ணிட்டு கொஞ்சம் வெளியே போயிட்டேன்.
We will wait another 5 minutes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Nathan sir?
Yes, sir.
Shall we start the session?
Yes, sir.
So good evening to one and all present over here. This is the 5-day online FDP organized by the School of Computing Technology, Danis Ahmed Institute of Technology, On behalf of our management and my own behalf, and also the Department of School of Computing Technology, I am pleased to welcome today's resource person, eminent professor, Dr. B. Vivekanandan, Professor and Dean, School of Computing, Multimedia, Lingen University, Malaysia. I welcome you, sir, for this great occasion. And also, I welcome all the other departments, the Anisam Institute of Technology, Dean Academics, and participants from various institutions. So, dear participants, this is the day 2 for the AI revolution. Today, the resource person, eminent professor, Vivek sir, deliver what are the research findings going on through the AI era. So now the session handed over to Dr. Vivekanandan sir. Please sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Before that, I will introduce our eminent professor, Dr. B. Vivekanandam. And he is a dynamic academic professional with 15 years of teaching experience in undergraduate and postgraduate computer science and artificial intelligence programs. Demonstrates extensive expertise in curriculum development, research, and student mentorship. Strongly committed to promoting academic excellence and innovation in technology education. Proficient in designing and implementing curriculum, supervising diverse academic projects, and conducting impactful research. So dedicated to maintaining high academic standards while fostering an engaging and inclusive learning environment. So he's and also he's produced, he's published 55 papers in journals and Scopus journals and IEEE journals.
Hello.
Then, so now I handed over the session to him. Previously, he is a well-known person with me. He already worked with me. He is my colleague in the year of 2008 to 2010 in Nehru Arts and Science College. And now he is working in Lincoln University, and he completed a PhD, and he produced some he produced some doctorates in that university. Thank you very much. And I'll hand it over the session to Dr. B. Vivekanandan.
Mr. Vijay Kumar, yes, kindly mute yourself.
Hello.
Okay, thank you so much, Dr. Nathan sir. Good evening, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, thank you so much. So it's my honor and it's my privilege. Thank you so much for having me through online here. Especially it's my honor to Dr. Nathan sir, because he was my first HOD when I started my teaching career. He was my first HOD. He guided me a lot in my beginning teaching career. So thank you so much, Nathan sir. And I look to thank principal and management of Dasan Institute of Technology. Thank you so much for having me for your FTP program. Thank you. So I hope all of you are able to see my slides.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So today I'm going to talk about streamlined research workflow, reference management, and AI for academics. So normally, academic research is very complex process, because academic research follows a step-by-step process from studying existing work to write an article and publishing a new finding. It's a very crucial process for most of all the researchers. So however, tracking of reference, organizing research paper, and staying efficient can be very difficult. So you are doing the manual research. It's all step-by-step process, all very difficult to handle it, organize it, and referencing, maintain the reference. Everything is very crucial process. So when it comes to artificial intelligence technology, research has become easy and faster. So artificial intelligence helps researchers finding a relevant paper, managing a reference, summarizing a content, and improving writing and saving the time and efforts. All your efforts you can easily save when used for artificial intelligence, especially they save our time, because all academicians we are balancing with the administration with the research. So everybody has a problem. It's not only in India, everywhere we have a problem with managing a research and administration work. But our AI tool helps to balance the both administrative work and research works when you're going to use the artificial intelligence technology. So today's session, I'm going to discuss about the importance of organizing research process and the challenging researchers facing, and how AI helps make researchers smooth and more efficiently. Researchers normally the efficient research workflow helps researchers manage their time and efficient, stay organized, and maintain the accuracy of their work. So first thing is very important, efficient thing is save the time. So increase the productivity. So researchers spend it's most of the time for searching a very relevant papers. For example, if everyone has different idea, if you want to search the relevant paper and manage the citation and formatting their research document, it's a huge process. So optimizing the workflow minimize unwanted talks, allowing more focus on analyzing and interpretation rather than administrative tasks. Second, organizing, managing reference efficiently. So researchers involve the citation track 100 of the reference. So it become overwhelming in it done manually. So as per record, every day minimum 1,000 to 2,000 papers are publishing in reputed indexed journal. Per year, millions of papers are publishing per year. Normally, every year, minimum indexed journal. I'm not talking about the other journal. Indexed journal, millions of papers are publishing. So if you want to track all those, the paper and managing the paper is very difficult process. So when you go for proper reference management tool, AI-based reference management tool helps to organize and sorting the paper and formatting the citation automatically. So what you want to stay, everything you can follow by, you can use. So these all the importance when you go for the research. So enhance the accuracy and reduce the error. So when researchers involve the citation tracking and incorrect citations. So when you go for accuracy, incorrect citation and missing reference, so poor document organization can affect your entire research credibility. So if you do any missing reference or incorrect citation, it will spoil your entire research. So your credibility will all lose. So AI-based tool helps to in automatic reference formatting and plagiarism checking and grammar correction. Everything is go higher level of accuracy. So facilitating collaborations, research is, it's not everything is like a teamwork. So individually, it's if you can do, but it's many researchers work in team. So where collaborating is very essentially. So when you're going to use all the research tool, it's efficient work with cloud-based artificial intelligence tool, allow researchers to share the references, co-write papers, and receive the automatic suggestions, improving team work efficient. So ensure the research integrity and compliance. For different university, different journal, they have specific formatting because somebody will ask you to publish in different APA format or IEEE format. One using everyone have different formats, but our AI tool, we can use we can satisfy all the publisher guidelines. So in our while doing the research, we focus challenge. We are facing many challenges for academic research workflow. The main first challenges as we focus on literature review challenges. So literature review challenges because overwhelming volume of information. because millions of research paper, as I said earlier, millions of research paper publishing annually, finding relevant and creditable source, it will take more time consumptions. So if you want to write an article, we used to refer minimum 100 or 150 article, then finally we will be summarizing a minimum 10, because when you go for a search engine and when you go for academic searching database, now we have connecting papers, Rabbit, many things are, if you want to find a relevant resource, it's because we have overwhelming, we have huge number of data are available. We cannot take it, what we relevant paper, it's very hard to get it. So that's, we are facing the literature review challenge. So difficult in identify the research gaps, because it is challenging to pinpoint unexplored area in existing literature without artificial intelligence assistance. If you want to do in manually 100 paper, if you read the 100 paper in manually, if you want to extract the insight, it takes too much time. But artificial intelligence tool, it can help us to minimize the time we can easily summarize the paper while writing the literature review. So next, we are all following, focusing, another challenge is citation reference management issue, because manual citation is missing the reference, because most of the reference we cannot add more manually, we cannot do properly, we cannot add. So missing reference, it can lead to plagiarism issue, because most of the journals minimum 50%, 10% plagiarism, but if you do manually, it leads to plagiarism issue. So complex formatting requirement, because every journal, every conference require their specific citation state. So somebody will go for MLA format, then some journals require IEEE format, some journals require APA format. It's very difficult to manage. Immediately, if you want to change one format to another format, it's huge. Yeah, if you do manually IEEE to, if you want to change to APA formats, the entire work will finish. So it's complex formatting requirement. It's another challenge we are facing as a researcher. While writing article, another challenge is complex in formatting. Formatting is entirely huge process. So data loss and disorganization, because normally, as I said, we are going to read 100 papers. So where to store, how to retrieve it. So if you want to read 100 paper, we used to PDF file and then Excel sheet to handwritten notes. So sometimes we misplace the source. Very hard to collect all the source. You can read today, I can read tomorrow. If I want to search any particular article, very hard to get back. So this all challenging we are facing while citation reference management issue. Then organizing and research notes finding, because researchers notes across various platforms, it's notebook, Word file, the online tool. So this all organizing my papers. So if you want, do it everything in one. So, but we are challenging without paper organization and tracking research progress and finding over time become a challenge now. So inconsistent of research tracking is also, it's very difficult. Then writing and publishing challenge, because when you're going to write a paper and you're going to publish the paper, structuring is very challenging. So many researchers struggling with logically organized idea into well-structured research paper. And then second thing, grammar. So writing academic English, then sentence structure and clarity, grammar and clarity issue we are facing, everybody, because we are spending, most of them are proofreading, we are spending some money for proofreading and many things we are, because different, when you go for the foreign journal, they need more high level grammar levels, different issues we are challenging, we are facing. So another challenge is plagiarism risk. So uncertain plagiarism can occur in proper citation and paraphrasing and techniques. It's not follow plagiarism is missing content, citation problem. So we are following plagiarism risk. So journal submission formatting record, as I said earlier, these all challenge we are facing for while publishing the paper. So these all challenge how we overcome. So we are using artificial. Now the current trend is we are using artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence enhancing our research productivity. So artificial intelligence transforming academic research landscape by automated labor intensive task. So reducing human error and improving efficiency. So normally we are focusing we focus on literature review challenge. So literature review challenge, we are AI powered search tool we are using. Search engines, normally we use Semantic Scholar, Elicity, connecting papers. These all easily we can connect power search engine, search the paper. So AI tool, we are later I'll show you a few things. Then automated summarizing tool, as usual, ChatGPT, Scholarly we are using. Then keyword and citation mapping. So we are using some keyword and citation mapping, highly cited paper relevant to keyword citation mapping. Also we're using some ChatGPT and using. See, for example, if I'm going to read the 100 paper manually, then if I want to summarize 100 paper, it take too much time. So when I'm going to use AI tool, can summarize the key insight in a minute. So we automatically can save our time. So AI citation and reference management. So normally for reference management, we are using different kind of softwares, Zotero, Mendeley, EndNote. So these all automatic organizing, formatting, generating citations, smart citation suggestions, automatic formatting, everything this tool can help you. I will show you the Mendeley, how Mendeley software is working now. Then how to install, how you can do the citation, everything. I will show you the coming slides. Then, so normally, so reference management tools. So what kind of why we need reference management software? Because reference management plays crucial role in academic and research writing. It helps maintaining the accuracy and the integrity and the efficient handling citation in source, because we are following some tools like avoiding plagiarism, ensuring academic integrity, because plagiarism serious ethical violation in academic and research setting, because we cannot involving using someone's idea word without proper permission, so those plagiarism, how we can avoid that, we are using some reference management tool, because ensuring acknowledgement using proper citation style. So we are using some format, maintaining the originality. So it's all you can use for avoiding plagiarism tool. So if you use the tool, easily you can maintain and organized. So efficient organizing, because academic writing involves handling multiple source, including journal article, books, conference paper, and the websites. So without structured approach, managing these reference can be overwhelming. So reference management and tools can help us to creating a centralized database, allowing seamless retrieval and supporting collaborations. So basically this all how we can use centralized database. Normally we are using EndNote, Mendeley software, and Zotero and BibTeX. So normally EndNote we can use for reference management and collaborative citations, Mendeley for PDF management citation tool. Widely in our Malaysia, in our university, most of all the students using for Mendeley software, because Mendeley is open source, free version available in all the social networks and reference. Zotero is especially for it's open source, excellent online source, but web browser integrity tagging organization. BibTeX only for the LaTeX user, based on the technical mathematical paper. You can use for most of the mathematical paper. You can use for BibTeX reference management software. So this all today I'll show you how to use the Mendeley software, how to import paper, then how to make a citation, everything I'll show you now, because I don't want to teach more theory here. Let me straight away, I'll go and teach, I'll show you the Mendeley software now. Then another reference management tool help us to speed up the citation and bibliography process, because the bibliography can be the error free. Then reference automated generating citation software, updating reference, integrating with Word process, because normally we are writing the paper on our Microsoft Word or document, Google document or LaTeX. So because these all the reference management software easily connected with Microsoft Office or Google documents or docs or LaTeX, easily you can integrate it with word process software. So easily we can speed up our citation bibliography uses. So normally so when you are using the reference management software, we can organize your library. So automated citation insert automatically use cloud storage, so collaborated efficiently, keep tracking and metadatas. How AI powered AI tool AI powered research assistance. Actually, the efficient reference management is essential for academic and research for success. Actually, the AI changing how researchers is done by making work easy for students and researchers and academicians. So AI tool helps to reading, summarizing the articles, writing and analyzing the data. So I have explained few things in the early. So easily we can do the literature, automated literature, and summarize the paper, writing and analyzing tool, saving the time and enhance the accuracies. So automated literature review means identify the relevant paper. So the ChatGPT and elite.org, then site, then semantic scholar. So these all we can use the identify the relevant paper, because these all tool help us to academic search engine like a semantic scholar or elite or site. We are using normally the natural language process NLP concept. So finding a relevant research paper and efficiently. So then ChatGPT we can use for extract the key insight, because AI tool can summarize the long academic paper, highlight the important findings, extract the key statistics, mapping research trends also can do. Then enhance the writing summarization, because ChatGPT, then other paper, these all tools we can use for generating research drops. We can search suggestion based keywords and topics, then paraphrasing and improve the readability, grammar checking can use. Then you can use some AI tool when you're going to use for AI powered tool. It's like a IBM SPSS, then Tableau. So automated visualization, if you want to go for automative data visualization, go for country wise, because normally we are using Power BI, Tableau. These all tools you can help us to more AI power research assistance. Normally we can, I hope you all, everybody using ChatGPT and Gemini, Elite, SI. Plenty number of AI tools are there. I have mentioned only few things on here, because these all research tool can save the time, enhance the accuracy, and improve the research productivity. This all you can do here. This all you can do here, because we are for the time consumption. So
Radhika ma'am, kindly mute your audio.
Thank you. So we have ethical considerations. So plagiarism, ensuring originality in research, because when you're going to use the AI tool, but we need originality in our research because we need for more research, ensure originality in your paper. So data privacy is productivity sensitive research data. You can collect your original data, then bias the AI. So critical evaluation of AI generated the content, bias the AI also. Okay, let me show you all how can use the Mendeley software, because the how we can do the reference management over here. I hope you are, all of you, I think most of them, if you know the Mendeley software, it's okay, but for all don't know, just you can follow the Mendeley software. I hope all of you are able to see my screen now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we are going to see about Mendeley software. So mentally is normally we used to call pronouns like a mentally. I think I have different pronunciations probably. Actually, the Mendeley software developed by PhD students in 2007. So on here, so the Mendeley software is reference founded by 2007 by PhD students, Paul, Victor, and thing. So after that, Elsevier publishing company, all of you, everybody is very famous. Scopus, Science Direct, Elsevier company bought in 2013. So still now we are using only Elsevier software. Elsevier company, Science Direct, Scopus. If you have Scopus username and password, you can use for Mendeley software. It's all common. Science Direct, then Scopus, Mendeley, all one username and password. So how you can go for, you can use Mendeley reference management software. Actually, reference management software, there are the beauty on Mendeley here. You can use desktop version, you can use web browser version, both you can use. Simultaneously, immediately you can automatically, you can synchronize both. You can synchronize. So actually, let me explain you what is Mendeley software. The Mendeley is a reference management software, is free web and desktop reference management application. It is helps to our simplify our reference management workflow. Actually, the reference management, what we can do easily. You can store all our data like article, original, and search all of the reference from just in a one library. There's a one library. Easily we can store all our data. Easily you can insert a reference and bibliography into our Microsoft Office, all word processing. We can use for our Microsoft Office Word document. You can use Mendeley site. Mendeley site you can do. Then third, you can use for read highlighted of your PDF. You can take notes. Then you can highlight your all our thoughts or multiple documents into one place. So we can easily collaborate with others by sharing the reference and the ideas. Okay, this all the reference, actually free reference management software, easily you can store all. So Mendeley software, three things we have to kindly take note. One is for reference when you go for download. Okay, let me show how to download. So go to click the download. There will be for Mendeley software, Mendeley reference management for desktop. So available for desktop for Windows, if anybody using Microsoft OS or Linux. So for different operating system, all softwares are available here. So you can download the for Windows. For my own is Windows. So for Windows 7 and above, you can use. If you other version, you can check it here. So so for me already I have downloaded. So just I'm going to sign in. So Elsevier, then your Scopus, Science Direct, all one username password. Yeah, my own successfully I have logged here. So search. If you want to search any article directly, it's lead to our Science Direct page. So here, see, second one is our library. Once successfully installed, ask you to log in. Once you log in is done, this is we call it as a reference management page. So this is normally we call it as a library. So reference management, your Mendeley library. So I have few articles. Okay, then this is now I have opened for a browser web reference management software for web. So once you download it, automatically, then after you successfully install, you have desktop version. Another version is called as a desktop version. So this is called desktop version. Another one is called web version. So the beauty of here is automatically synchronized. So once you can do any edit on web, automatically synchronized with your desktop version. If in desktop you have any amendment or any editor, you done something, so automatically synchronized with your web-based one. So these two automatically you can do here. So okay, so the file will be able to follow me, right? So in this Mendeley software, so we can add the reference. This all article I have already added here. So how we can add? There are different methods we can add. So import the file from the user. So I can import any file. So any article you can just easily I can update. This is one format I can update on here. See, so automatically I can add my article on here. So import folder where I can add, import library. So if any bib text file, see for example, see my name, any article on here. See for example, Google Trends Data Social Science. I'm going for this article. So I have a site. I can download the bib text file. Say now I'm going with here. Go to library. You can select bib text. Find in document. See, automatically I can upload the bib text. Any file format I can add it here. So you can do it my library everything. So reference manually you can add everything. You can later you can explore this how you can add, import the file, import the library, import the folder, and then you can do manually. For manually means you can identify the DOA number, or for example, let me show you any DOA numbers. So when you DOI number automatically comes with journal name, title, then author name, journal name, year of publication, page number, and volume, then when, month, all you can automatically enter here. If you want to do manually also you can do. So automatically you can add the articles. So when you add, you can check recently added, recently read, favorite, you can do it favorite, all the paper, you can do any favorite paper also you can do. You can do some favorite paper. You can check your own publications. If you can say, you can filter your own publication, unsorted duplicates. So repeated papers are duplicates, deleted papers, everything you can see here, all the reference management software. Okay. So now we have added all this. So next thing here, okay, once I added the paper, so when you click here, so right hand side, I can easily check all the all information about the article. So Google Trends, who's author, year of publication, month, abstract, their URL number, everything I can check here. So okay, I have this article only I have uploaded in my PDF. Okay, this one I have uploaded the PDF file. So there is the read option, right? So you go and read. You can click the read. Automatically is connected with the source, paper source. See, the article automatically will display here. So here, what I can do notes. See, for example, I can highlight the my readings. Automatically, I can highlight the reading. Highlight the readings. If you want to take any notes, I can take a notes. See, and then I can take notes. Deep learning, something like that. So you can take notes. Then if you take a notes, for example, annotation, automatically you can come for my article. Whatever I take notes, it's automatically brings you to my app. So easily we can read, easily we can take a notes, all my articles. I can highlight, then I can highlight the text. Anything can do here. Then if you want to take any notes about the articles, I can take the article notes about can take the notes. Any review I can do here. Face recognition system. Actually, this article is written by some other author, is for basically for face recognition system. Okay, right. So this all I can do it here. So now I have done in my website. See, for when I go for my desktop version, so automatically you can reflect. So you might take notes are available, anatomy also available, everything you can do it here. See, now just I did automatically you can synchronize. See here, last synchronize is 1 minute ago. Easily we can synchronize with both. So it's cloud-based storage edition. You know worries about your own system somewhere. Then if you want to work in your office, your research center, easily can synchronize both your desktop version and web-based versions. It's the beauty of Mentally software. Okay. Now we have done we have successfully import articles and everything I have did. So what I can do the next step? While I'm writing article, how I can insert the reference, how I can generate the bibliography. So once successfully install the Mentally software, then there is the option is called tool here. Go to tool. In the Mentally software, there are three important things. One is called Mentally reference management software. Whatever how we can, if you want to add the paper and how add the article, how to do the notation, reference, everything you have did. Second, web importer. I'll explain you. So third one is called install Mentally site for Microsoft Word. So this is the one we connecting our Mentally software through our word process software, which means or Microsoft Word. So who are all first time going to use this Mentally software, you go to tool, go to install the Mentally site for Word, Microsoft Word. So click here, automatically it's bring you to the Microsoft Store. So it's a free version, no need to pay anything. So go to Mentally site, go to get it now. So already I have downloaded. So get it now. So take you to Microsoft 365, complete this process. If anybody using pirated version, it's very hard to get it. You can try. So open the Microsoft Word automatically. I already here. So you have to log in. So now we ask you to log in the page. How to log in here. So automatically is here. Once successfully install the Microsoft site, Mentally site, so you can reflect in the reference. You go to the reference, go to open your Microsoft Word, open the menu is reference. You can see on Mentally site over here. See here over here. Once successfully installed, the icon will be displayed on here. See Mentally sites. Okay, once I successfully install the Mentally site for my Word, Microsoft Word. So once I have done, okay, now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to write an article. So it's like a sample one. So you can imagine that this is one of my article. So now, see, normally you have all the researchers know how to citation, right? Oh, okay. So citation, I have to mention the citation. I hear 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So this is referred by first reference. This is referred by second reference. So go to the reference, go to click the Mentally sites. If anybody first time you log in, you have to you have to log in the first time, username, password, same username, password with your Mentally. So once you successfully log in, your all article will be listed here. See here, all article will be listed here. For example, in this article, I want to know this identification COVID vaccine. So this one I want to, this is my first reference. I refer here. So you can click here, insert a citation. So automatically citation is insert on here. So this page, second, okay, I want to insert here okay, another article or this one I want to insert here, insert. Automatically inserted here. So third, I want to insert on here. Okay, insert. Fourth one, I want to insert on here something. Any article you can insert. So first, second, third, I have insert. See, now I successfully insert on here. Next step is here the citation index. So my citation is APA format. This one is called APA format. I don't want APA format. I want for IEEE format. So you go changing the citation state. Go to change IEEE format. See, automatically IEEE format changed. 1, 2, 3, 4. See here. Suppose I'm going to have to insert one more article on, supposed to be here. Go to reference. See, automatically it will rearranged 1, 2, 3. So no worries about it. If you do manually, everything you have to recorrect it, right? So you don't want to do anything. Automatically you will recorrect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 articles. Okay. Now I successfully changed. What you want, any format, APA format or ASA format, MLA format, or any format you can use. So normally APA format we use. Vancouver format also you can use here. Vancouver format is okay. Now once I did, so what next step is, I want to bibliography. So go another, the third one is nearby. Go to insert the bibliography. Go insert the bibliography. automatically bibliography insert. I hope all of you are able to see. Right. So now I am changing the format for IEEE. Automatically all format will change for IEEE. If I want to go for APA format, you can go for all the APA format. So no worry about your citation and reference management. Everything automatically will cover. All format you can change it here. 1, 2, 3. See, this is AMA format, American Medical Association format. What format you want, you can use it. It's normally we used IEEE format. You can go with IEEE. Once you've done, right? So third one is called web importer. So go to tool, install web importer. Already click here. Actually, the import reference from the web directly in your Mendeley library with Mendeley web importer. Actually, the browser extension detected article identifier on the page of or viewing automatically retrieval metadata of PDF file. So if anybody using your Edge, you can use, or if, for example, I'm using my one is called Google Chrome. So you can go and get web importer. You can add, already I have added, just you can add web importer automatically. It's Mendeley web importer on install here. Because for me, my own has a problem, because once you successfully install the Microsoft web importer, so no need to copy the DOA number. You don't want to download the citation format, everything. Just you can add, see all the article, add to Mendeley. There option is called add to Mendeley. Just to click here, automatically goes. See, automatically goes. Automatically the article, see region plan, it's added in my library. Now we go, I can check with synchronized. See, now added my article. See, this article automatically is added here. Regional plan is flat. So this is beauty of web importer. You don't want to add, you don't want to download the articles, everything. Just you can add. IntelliSoft, just you can add. See, now automatically add. But you can check it out. Sometimes PDF is not found. So you cannot edit, you cannot download the paper. Maybe later you can check proper site, and some things paid version you cannot get it, unpaid version you cannot get it. So later you can verify with. So this is web importer. So the Mendeley software I explained very shortly because I want to finish within my time. I know all of you rushing to going home. So the Mendeley I covered with today, Mendeley reference management software, Mendeley site for Microsoft Word. Third one is called web importer, Mendeley web importer. So 3 things I have covered here. So this is about Mendeley software on here. Okay. Next, I have explained you about how you can use writing, summarizing the brainstorming, different research paper and idea generation, everything. You can use some correct prompt. So here there are few prompts are available. So generate a research paper title and abstract, AI based management. So we use the correct prompt, so automatically you can get it. Are you the So what title you want, basically title and abstract, everything can automatically display on here. So after rewrite it, so this is for AI based reference management system, is focus important. So I need abstract. So if you given the right prompt, automatically you can get it from here. So that will be, if you want summarize the literature review, AI based literature review impact of studies, then summarize the key finding on the paper Word, 200 papers, see for example. Okay, let me ask. ChatGPT you can use. Now the recent one is I want 200 words for summarize the key finding of this research paper in 200 words. So I have copy paste the abstract. So easily we can summarize the paper. So the research. I think all of you using this one. I'm not teaching any new things. So if you want to list out the key contribution and limitation on the paper. So what is key contribution? Actually is deep face recognition methods. So category face recognition process techniques they are used here, evaluation data sets, drive application scenarios, identification technical challenges, everything, limitations, everything automatically can discuss. So you can make it our easy process on here. This is I have shared a few prompts if you want to search new ideas, suggest 5 novel research topic related AI, academic reference management, literature review, generate research questions, AI automation. You can ask any good. If you use good prompt, our AI tool will give the latest one. Now everywhere we started using DeepSeek for Chinese one also, but few of the countries banned now. So finding a AI reference management, streamlining research, and then this whole tool you can adopt. You can do adaptation and anything you can do here. So only one thing I want to tell you all. So the AI tool is a replacement of human intelligence, but enhancement of research efficiency. That's all. But integrating AI academic workflow research can all researchers please focus more on innovation and critical thinking, because the AI I clearly tell you the AI tool human intelligence, the replacement of human intelligence can reduce the time and enhance the research efficiency only. But the AI tool workflow researchers can focus more innovation and critical thinking only. You can go for next level. For your critical thinking, your new innovation, the AI tool will help us. I'm not saying you cannot do it fully in your research on the AI tool, because it's not academic integrity, research integrity cannot go with. It will help us. If you want to summarize the paper, anything, the AI tool help us, but AI tool will not do our research. That's my conclusion on this today's class.
Thank you, Professor,
Thank you, sir.
for your wonderful presentation.
Thank you, sir.
Participants, any queries from your side? Participants, any queries from your side? Kindly interact with today's resource person.
Yes, some of them are already raised the hands. Miss Leena Mariam and Kar Kurali, those who are any questions, please ask the questions to him.
Thank you, Mr. Elias.
Wonderful section. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
madam.
Madam Soundarya, ma'am. Thank you.
Manoj,
Yes, sir.
kindly share the feedback.
Okay, sir. I will share now, sir.
Okay, Nathan sir, conclude
Yes, sir.
today.
Yes, sir. And accepting our invitations, and he is giving his very good presentations. So from that we understand how to do the research publications in easy way through the AI, and it is a great things. And also the session is very, very wonderful. And thank you very much, Professor Dr. Vivekanand.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. If anybody for future for any research you want the collaborations, please contact me. You can search in my name in Google or LinkedIn. Easily you can connect for your future research. Definitely we will help you. We can collaborate you for your research also.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Especially I would like to thank to Dr. Nathan sir and the principal sir. Thank you so much for having me. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you. Thank you, participants. Happy learning, happy growing. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Excellent session. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Manoj, kindly follow up further.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
After completion of the feedback, kindly share the report to me.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir. I will share now, sir.
Okay, thank you, Manoj Prabhakar and Mr. Sahul Amit, YouTube host, for your wonderful coordination for the 5 days FDP. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Nathan.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Wonderful session. Thank you. Shall I leave the meeting?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay.
Hello, Mr. Vivek.